guys, it's me, Jay Woods. If you want to see how I got this gorgeous pinkish purpley bluey eye using the new NikkieTutorials Beauty Bay palette, just keep on watching. Alright, so this is the palette packaging. It comes in this super cute box. It already feels luxurious kind of. When you open it up, it has some bubble wrap, which is good because Beauty Bay is from the UK, I believe. So this baby traveled overseas to get to me. So the palette has two sides. This side, oh, that's so pretty. Okay, so this side is the, like it has like darker shades. And then this side has like the brighter shades. So it has two sides. I don't know how easy it'll be to use a palette like this because I'm like, how do you hold it if you are gonna actually use the mirrors? But what's cool is that she made one side a regular mirror and then she made the other side like a magnifying mirror. So I feel like that was super duper smart of her to do. Oh, I love that. Okay, so this is the palette. I can't wait to use it. I'm going to zoom in on the colors. I'm not going to do swatches because honestly, me and swatches, I don't really care about them. To me, all that matters is how the shadows actually look on your eyes. Excuse my nails. I haven't been back to the nail salon, but that's how they look. The pans are really, really big. Oh my god, I can't believe this was only $30. It's so gorgeous. Something so cool. I thought that this just had like the name of the shades, but if you, hopefully it focuses. So what she did was underneath every shade, she tells you if you should use it with a brush or with your fingers. So she's basically letting you know how to apply it for it to look the best, which I love. I'm assuming most likely most of the shimmers you'd have to use your fingers because that's just how normally it works, but that's cool, that's smart. Because not everyone is, you know, a makeup pro. So, Nikki, this is why I fucks with you. Alright, so first we're gonna go in with the shade Slasher, which is this one right here. It's a dark purple. I'm like so nervous. I don't know why. There are just so many like vibrant shades in here. I'm like, I hope I don't mess up my look. And by the way, I don't have on any primer on my eye. I'm like trying to pack it on because there is some fallout, so I don't want to like swirl it. And also, I saw this girl review this palette and she said that basically she like broke the palette. I guess she was dipping into it too hard. So I figured the shadows probably are a bit soft, so I don't want to like go in too much. So now that I packed that on, I'm going to go into the shade Zoomer, which is this one right here. It's like a salmon type of shape, that's how I'll describe it. And I'm just gonna go on the edges just to have like a nice blend. So I'm loving the way that the eyes are looking. They blended out really, really pretty. Next I'm gonna go in with the shade Amsterdam. I'm a little bit scared. It's this royal blue. I'm gonna put it on the crease as well. I just don't know if it's gonna show up because the purple is pretty dark. It is showing up. That shows how freaking pigmented this is. Oh my god. You know what? I'm actually going to put it on the outer corner. So now I'm going to cut my crease. I'm going to use the Most Concealer by Kimchi Chic Cosmetics. This is in the shade Light Beige. This concealer is so good for cutting the crease. And I'm going to use this side, which is the magnified side, which is why I'm so happy that she included it. I thought it was so smart. So I'm going to use this magnified side of the mirrors and then hopefully I get this cut crease going. Okay, so just to like remove like the excess concealer and make it look a little bit smoother, I'm gonna take a mini beauty blender and just pat it on top. But be careful because if you go over the top of the line you made, obviously it's not gonna look as sharp. I cut my crease on both sides. I'm really happy with the cut crease because the concealer sort of mixed with the shadow and it made it kind of purple, which is good because the shimmery shades in this palette, they're almost like pressed pigments, so they look better if you have like kind of like a background color on it. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with my finger, apply it to the lower half, and then I'm gonna go in with a brush and apply it closer to the edge, and hopefully I don't mess up my cut crease. But yeah, so I'm gonna take the shade Pride, which is this one right here. Oh my god. It looks like I put like tin foil on my eye. It's so freaking gorgeous. Oh my god. Wow. I'm so impressed. Oh my god. And this is like a gorgeous duochrome. It looks purple, it looks pink, it looks blue all at the same time. Oh my god, look at that. That is so pretty. I'm gonna take a brush, like I said. I feel like the brush isn't gonna apply this well because it is like that pressed pigment formula. Alright, so for the lower lash line, I'm going to use Plot Twist first. It's like so hard to keep picking up this palette. I'm gonna use that here. Okay, I feel like it goes on almost, it looks more white than the blue. But I'm gonna go over it with a glitter, so I just wanted to have like something under one of those shimmery shades. Okay, and then I'm gonna go back in with the dark blue I use on the outer corner. For the lower lash line, I obviously can't use my fingers, so I just wet this brush a little bit with some setting spray, and I'm gonna go into the shade Mama Tutorials, which is this one right here. I'm gonna put a black eyeliner on the lower waterline. Now I'm going to apply my all-time favorite, the NYX Epic Ink Liner. I'm just gonna do a cat eye. Okay, so I'm gonna finish the rest of my face, put on some mascara, and I'll be back. Alright, so here is our finished look with my foundation, lashes, and well, not lashes, mascara, but and everything, and I'm loving the way that it looks. I think it looks so beautiful. Literally my eyes, I don't even know how to describe it. It looks like a liquid glitter, like a glittery lip gloss on my eyelids. I'm obsessed with it. I think this palette is so amazing, especially for the price. I'm telling you, these shades are so, these shades are so gorgeous. It's a great mixture of glitters and mattes. They're all really, really bright and vibrant. I feel like, I don't think I've seen any other palette with these shades exactly, but I love it so much. It is honestly so gorgeous. I love the concept of having the two mirrors because honestly having the zoom in mirror really does help. I do think that it's kind of like hard to use the mirrors because you have to hold the palette. You'd have to hold it from here because obviously down here is all the shades, and your arm and your hand will be so tired after a while. I'm like, am I about to get carpal tunnel? Like, it's kind of hard to hold it for a while because it is a heavy palette. It's a great quality palette, so it does have some weight to it. But yeah, it's so beautiful. This is my first time using anything from Beauty Bay. I am so impressed by the quality of these shadows. I definitely recommend that you use a primer because these shades are sort of like softer. Sort of like a softer type of eyeshadow, so you do get like some fallout. Definitely wait until after you do your eyes to apply your concealer, just so you don't get it all over your face, or you know, bake on the bottom so that you can just sweep it away, because you will get some fallout with this palette. And yeah, I do think the palette is so gorgeous though. I think that it was smart for her to include this because I'm sure she knows that some of the shades you just have to apply it with your fingers in order for it to look super duper vibrant, like these gorgeous glitters. Definitely on the bottom, I feel like it did work just wetting the brush. I feel like that definitely did help apply it and made it look more vibrant. But yeah, I'm obsessed with this palette. I think that it's so pretty. I'm gonna put my Instagram down below because I'm thinking of doing more looks. Since I did kind of like a dramatic look, I definitely want to do a softer look next time because especially the shades over here, I feel like you could definitely get like a nice soft look. You just have to like not dip your brush in too much because honey, the pigmentation is amazing. So yeah, I love this. I'm so happy for her. We all know what happened with her Too Faced palettes. with it being just not the best quality. And I feel like this is an amazing redemption story because this palette is amazing. I don't know if it's like, I honestly don't even know that much information about it. I just saw it on Trendmood and I was like, oh, I'm getting it. So I don't know if it's a limited edition. I don't know if it's like permanent. I don't know like how long they're gonna have it, but it's so beautiful. If you have like a makeup lover in your life, this will make an amazing gift because it is good quality. It's so gorgeous and unique. It's kind of like Lisa Frank, but like an adult version of Lisa Frank. But yeah, let me know what you thought about this look, about this palette, and make sure you like and subscribe down below.